This is an inverter circuit. It's 12 voltage to 40 voltage. Input voltage is 12 and output is 40. We can use this circuit in an amplifier. Let's make the circuit. This is the variable board. I'm using the transformer. Transformer primary will be 15 turn 0 15 turn, and secondary will be 45 turn 0 45 turns. This is the Mosfet, N channel Mosfet. We can use here any N channel Mosfet. This is the N channel Mosfet. The left leg is the gate, middle is the drain, and right leg is the source. The source leg will be get negative voltage. This is the capacitor. I am using 6 capacitor. 3 are for positive voltage, another 3 are for the negative voltage. All capacitor are 50 voltage and 3300 mFT. I'm using 50 voltage capacitor. 3 are for positive and another 3 are for negative voltage. The capacitor fixed ready. Need to solder. I already fixed the IC. The IC number is KA3525A. IC number is KA3525A. This is 4.7 ohms resistors. I am using 1 watt. You also can use quarter watt resistor. I am using 1 watt. This is 4.7 ohms resistor. Now I am soldering. Now one Zener 4148 and 82 ohms resistor will be together. Zener 4148 and 82 ohms resistor will be together. I need two are same. 82 ohms resistor and 4148 Zener diode. 14 and 11 legs are the output. 11 and 14 legs are the output. Will goes to the Mosfet gate. Will goes to the Mosfet gate. So I am using 11 to Mosfet gate and 14 to Mosfet gate. 11 to Mosfet gate and 14 to Mosfet gate. Using this Zener diode and resistor. Anode leg will be with the IC leg and cathode leg will be to the Mosfet gate. Both are same. Both will be the same. Here use two Mosfet. For this case, we are using two resistor for the gate voltage. For the gate voltage, this IC makes two output voltage for the Mosfet, because we need two side for this transformer. Two Zener will goes to the Mosfet. Two Zener cathode side will be the Mosfet gate leg. Two cathode side will be to the Mosfet gate leg. The Zener diode and the resistor are together. I am soldering 11 and 14 goes to a Mosfet gate using this resistor and Zener diode. This is 1K resistor, 1K 1 watt resistor, 1K 1 watt resistor. If you want this circuit diagram, you can go to the comment box and you will get a link to get this circuit diagram. If you get the circuit diagram, it will be very easy to make. This is the another 1k resistor, another 1k resistor. If you want to make this circuit diagram, you must collect the circuit diagram from our website. I am using this wire for a negative voltage. I am using this wire for negative voltage. Now I am soldering with this wire. Soldering with this wire. This is the capacitor. This is the 4.7 MFD, 4.7 MFD 50 volt. 4.7 MFD 50 volt. Need to solder with a negative voltage. This is PF 102, 102 PF, 102, 102 JPF. Soldering the PF with the negative voltage. PF with the negative voltage. This is 47k resistor. 47k resistor. If you follow the circuit diagram from our website, you can understand and it will be very easy for you. So must collect the diagram first, then make it. Must collect diagram and make it. This is a 50 voltage 47 MFD capacitor. 50 voltage 47 MFD capacitor. Before the capacitor was 4.7 MFD. Now this is 47 MFD. 47 MFD. The negative leg will be the negative voltage and positive leg will goes to the positive voltage. This is the voltage capacitor, main voltage capacitor. Here outside is raining. For this case the weather is very cold. This is a 5.6k resistor. 5.6k resistor. Soldering the resistor leg. This is the diode. This is the diode for the secondary section. Need to make hole, big hole. We need 4 diode to make AC to DC. The transformer will make AC voltage. We have to make it to DC. We know how to make AC to DC. The transformer is center transformer, full wave, middle and 2 corner. 4040 AC. The transformer will make 4040 voltage, 4040 AC voltage. After we will make DC using the diode, like same as the normal transformer. Same theory will be here. 4 diode will be together. 4 diode will make AC to DC. Soldering. Look, it's AC, a positive voltage. This two diode makes positive voltage. This two diode makes positive voltage. Now need to make a negative voltage. Another two diode. Look, this diode makes a negative voltage. This diode will make negative voltage. Need to solder here. Need to make a long leg to reach with the capacitor leg. Yes, now with the negative terminal. This is the capacitor negative leg. Need another diode. Last one diode. Two diode will make positive voltage, another two will make negative voltage, and the middle center tap will goes to direct to the capacitor and ground leg. This is the last diode to make the negative voltage. This is center tap transformer, full wave transformer. Center tap will goes to the ground voltage. The circuit is ready. I missed some video. I am going to test. This is the positive, voltage. Now this is the negative voltage. Let's go to check using this meter. And let's check. This is the negative voltage, and this is the positive voltage. It's 12 voltage are there. Now let's go to check the secondary. Secondary got 42 voltage. Secondary got 42 voltage, 42 positive and 40 voltage negative. Sorry, 1 voltage loss. It's no problem. 43, 44 is there, and 42 is here. It's no problem. 1 voltage, 1, 2, 3 voltage can different. It's no problem. Look how makes fire. The circuit is ready to use, but please don't make fire when connect with 12 voltage, then the Mosfet will blast. This is the circuit for 12 voltage to 40 voltage to make the transistor amplifier for our car or anywhere use. Thanks for watching my video.